Alright, in this brief video, I'm going to talk only about coterminal angles. Hopefully this will clarify and make it easy for you to either find or create coterminal angles. First, you have to know how to create a standard position angle to begin with, so let's look at 170 degrees. That we would start at the initial side, go counterclockwise, and we have to go past the 90, of course. You figure at 180 degrees, we're 10 less than that, so that's about the position. Remember, we're just approximating. That's the terminal side, and 0 was the initial side. If I go in the opposite direction from the initial side, I go clockwise, that's in blue. Well, that's negative 190 degrees. So a positive 170 and a negative 190 are coterminal angles, again, because they share that terminal side. And this is the official definition. Two angles in standard position with the same terminal side are called coterminal. Alright, standard position, by the way, means that on the coordinate plane, the rotation is going around 0, 0, the origin. So you can actually create coterminal angles whenever you have an angle that you've identified. If you add or subtract 360 degrees, you are creating a coterminal angle. Hopefully these examples will show you that. So here I have a 100-degree angle, it's in purple. In orange, I'm adding 360 degrees. So if I add 360, I'm at an angle of 460 degrees. So basically, I've done one full revolution, 360 plus 100 degrees. We're at the same location. What if I did two 360 rotations? Well, that would be like 100 plus 720, which would give me an angle of 820 degrees. We're adding full rotations. You are ending up or landing in the same place, the same terminal side. So 100 degrees, 460 degrees, 820 degrees, all coterminal. Well, let's say we have negative 315. We know that there's 45 degrees left over, so that's my final picture. I have gone 315 degrees from the initial side of 0. Alright, so in dark blue I put 45 degrees, that's coterminal. Starting at the initial side, go up 45 degrees, and we have another angle with the same terminal side. But as you can see, if I take away 360 from the negative 315, I end up at negative 675. All I've done is I've added a full revolution or rotation. So the ones I've circled there, negative 315, negative 375, those are coterminal. 45 degrees is coterminal. Well, what if I took the 45 degrees and I added 360? I get 405. It has to be in the same location. I don't have to draw it out. I've basically just gone 360 degrees. That's full circle. Add another 360 to that. You're at 765. These are not angles we would usually draw because we would just be drawing that little spiral around the middle. We could hardly keep up. But hopefully you're beginning to see that by going one or two more rotations, mathematically it's very easy to create. By adding or subtracting 360, we get coterminal angles. So just think of it as a full rotation being added. Another example, 225 degrees. That's my picture. I've gone beyond the 180. It's in the third quadrant. Well, in violet, if we took away 135, if we had a negative 135 degree angle, that would be coterminal. So now I have these two angles. I'm going to start adding 360. And that's about as good as I can do with the picture there. But you see, all I've added is a revolution, or one rotation, 360 degree rotation. If I took away 360, you can see I've created another one, negative 495. All of those are coterminal. So whatever the angle, if you add a 360 degree rotation, which is just one full circle, you've found or created a coterminal angle. Subtracting works the same way. If I have 360 degrees, I take it away. One full rotation, I'll be in the same location. Okay, folks, we can only fail when we stop trying. And since you made it to this last video, you are my math hero. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.